Hi guys, welcome to Travel with Toniann, and we are at Cranbrook. It's a nice little place where you have a river, and we're gonna check it out. Yeah, so it's in St. Anne's, and we're gonna have a ball. So stay tuned, and yeah, let's check it out. So here you have the parking. You have an area where you can park, and then we're gonna hike to the river. So if you come here, guys, there's the restrooms here. So here's the restrooms. That's to go to the restrooms right there. So you can come and change. So yeah, this is a structure here. I don't know what this is, but it's really nice.
When the rainy season.
When the rain starts.
So we're hiking to the river spot. It's about, I would say, 15 minutes. We've been walking through this what seems to be wilderness, taking a trail. I'm on the trail by myself right now, so it's not a bad walk. It's an easy walk. Some parts are slippery, but it's a nice little walk. So you hear the river in the background, so it seems like we're almost there. So yeah, I'm enjoying it. I'm loving it so far. Seems to be a nice little relaxing, you know, hike. So yeah, this man chopping away.
Hell no. Hell no. Them bites hot.
So apparently this property used to be a sugar mill back in the day. So it's a huge property. People come here to camp, they come here to hang out, and they, you know, just enjoy the river. So we're gonna be enjoying it today. So we found this little bridge. I'm not going on it, but here you have it. I didn't realize you guys were. Oh no. have completed our day at Cranbrook and now we're going to Blue Haven.
Thought she can lead the way.
I don't remember. I honestly don't remember seeing that.
What we'll do is if you know I can